Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to a new episode of Sneaker Aesthetic. And in today's video, I have a very special shoe for y'all. I have a banger. Today's video, I have a pair of white Beyond pink Nike Air Force Ones. Before we get into the video, go ahead, make sure to like and subscribe. Now, guys, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright, guys, here we go. Unboxing. Top of the box here, Nike Air Force One. Nothing on this side. Nothing on this side. Nothing on the back. Just gray box. Sizing tag. There you go. 8, obviously. Retail $110. Pretty good deal for some Air Forces. Not really though, because you can get them StockX for like 90. But these aren't no regular white Air Forces. Now, guys, let's go ahead and take a sneak peek on the inside. Oh, let's grab that one instead. Probably can kind of see the shininess. Yeah, there you go. See it right there. Just the top is shiny, not the midsole. Now, guys, let's go ahead and let's get into the review. I got these shoes from a sneaker plug, so I can unfortunately not do the on foot, but that's okay. Your boy still has the good review. All around, this is just a very, very cool, amazing shoe. These are, again, they're not the plain white Air Forces. They are shiny, as you can see there on the toe box. All around though, I just love this shoe. Very cool. I wish I could rock it myself. Actually, I think I am going to get myself some Air Forces, and I might actually do an on-foot review of those. The laces, high quality. They're just like the other ones. They're not like the cheap ones that are the factory laces. They're actually quality laces. The back of the shoe, here you can see in a second. The back of the shoe, really cool. It's not just a stitched in Nike Air logo. They actually like pushed it in. Here's the bottom of the shoe. You know how I feel about the bottom of the shoe. It is getting slept on. I love all the little stars. Very cool little details. You feel me? Here is even closer. You can see there's like sort of a zebra print or tiger print on those little circles around that small one. That's really cool. It's not like you're gonna see it, but it's still nice to know it's there. You feel me? Here's the lace piece to the shoe. Pretty cool. I mean, it's not any different to the white ones, but it's still a nice little detail to have on that shoe. The shoe wouldn't be the same without it. Here's the Air logo on the side. You can see a little bit of the stars peeking up. Little Air logo. I've seen some cool DIYs with this Air logo. Here is a close-up of the leather so you can see it a little bit better. There's the stitching. You know how I feel about the stitching. I love the stitching too. Stitching is a really cool part of the shoe. It makes it really pop out. Here's the inside sizing tag. There's a little QR code. Size 8. Again, I still can't wear these because they need to be dead stock. Here is the insole. You can see it's pink. Obviously, no one's going to know that it's pink, but it's still nice to know that it's pink. It's a cool little detail that only you will know that's there. Here is the toe box. You can see the breathability on these shoes. Even though I couldn't wear these, I have worn Air Forces before. They do have good breathability, lots of little holes, so your foot is not going to get sweaty inside that shoe. Even holes on the side, like your foot is not going to get sweaty at all in this shoe. But anyways, guys, this is a really cool shoe to review. I love this shoe so much. The shiny stuff, such a cool shoe. I would totally pick me up a pair of these if I could, but I don't think I can even find my size in this shoe. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, click on my channel. And if you want to keep updated with me, smash that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time on Sneaker Aesthetic.